We're back with a new edition of Shop Today's curated boxes. And this morning, guys, we have an extra special one for you. It's called the Rise and Shine box. So all of these products will start your day off exactly right. Some of these are actually picks of some of the anchors, myself, Savannah. You'll receive everything you see here 76% off, plus it ships for free. Adriana Brock's going to tell us all about it. She's Shop Today's editorial director, and again, you can get a check of everything with our QR code. I love the curated box.
This is so great because it's truly a curation of favorite products, stuff you guys love, and stuff to kickstart your morning.
Okay.
And it's over $500 worth of products for $129. That's 76% off.
And
so
you're
also getting a great deal. Yeah, you're getting great products and a great deal.
All right, let's start with hair.
Okay, let's start with hair. When you're getting ready in the morning, this 2-in-1 tool is going to save you so much time. It's from Conair. This is worth $79.99, and it's a flat iron and a curling iron in one, which is genius.
Right, why have two things when you can have one?
Exactly. Cut down on the clutter. And it's got the ceramic plates, it's got the titanium barrel for the curler, and it's got this cooling vent that you hit it with the fan, so it's going to set your curls really nicely.
Easy to operate, too.
So easy to use.
Oribe makes incredible products.
Okay,
what's this
Oribe,
one?
this is a Savannah pick. This is the dry texturizing spray. This brand, celebrities love it. It's such a great product. It's a luxury brand. This is not quite a dry shampoo. It's a little bit of a volume booster. So you're going to use it on your blowout when it's like on the third day. You've got a little bit of oily roots. You want to use this to like pump up the volume, fluff it up. It gives it a little PC look. It's really cute when you want to do the waves too.
This neck cream is a real high-end item.
This is a high-end product from Skin Medica. This brand, dermatologists love it.
Yeah.
And it used to actually only be sold at dermatologist's office. It's worth $135.
Wow.
So this is for your neck and chest. We're always talking about like skincare routine for your face. Oftentimes we forget about our neck. This is really great. It's going to firm, tighten. It also gets rid of dark spots over time. So this is a really good one to add to your beauty routine. Okay,
I'm a huge fan of Bio Oil. And when it came out in a gel, I was like, give it to me. This is one of my picks.
Bio Oil is incredible. We know Hoda loves it. I love it. The Shop Today team loves it. It is such a great product. It's packed with moisturizing ingredients. It comes in an oil format. This gel is incredible.
I love the gel.
And it's going to last you all winter long. You could use it from head to toe.
Where do you put it? Everywhere. Elbows,
elbows, legs, like.
And it's such a great, I mean, it was made, we used it on kids a lot. And we loved it for kids. It works so well for grown-ups.
Yes, you can use it on ages 3 and up. Okay, sunscreen. Did you know you have to use it year-round, even in the winter?
Do you?
You should. You should. So this is from Elta. This is clear. And what we like about this is that it kind of goes on like a day cream. So it doesn't feel like a sunscreen. So it's one you're going to want to wear every single day and not have an issue with. It's got SPF 46. Really great. Also skincare benefits. It's got niacinamide, which is good for if you have redness or blemishes.
This mascara, I'm saying, is my favorite of all time because you know why I love it? Whenever I have a boohoo day or I'm sweating, it comes off in tubes. And it works so well.
Yes.
Thrive.
So this is from Thrive, and it's got thousands of 5-star reviews.
It's too
People
good.
are obsessed because of the tubing formula, which makes it waterproof.
It doesn't smudge.
Smudge-proof, flake-proof. It's also really good if you have hooded eyes or heavier lids, so you're not going to get the raccoon eyes. And easy to take off because it is waterproof. At the end of the day.
What's going on here?
Okay, so this is our luxury candle from Maison Margiela. So this is a French fashion house, and they have this winter stroll candle, which is, you've got to smell it. It's like everything you love about winter.
Stop it.
Right? It's got a little bit of eucalyptus, pine, some juniper wood. This is a $70 candle you're getting here, and it comes with a fireplace-inspired perfume sample, which, smell that. It's got
oh my God, it smells like a fireplace.
Yeah, it's like clove and vanilla, and it's not something you'd really get for yourself, so it's a nice little surprise and delight.
Bring us home.
Okay, let's talk about ClassPass. This is for all your Start Today people out there who are looking for a new workout routine. ClassPass is a membership service, and it gives you access to local gyms, tracks, studios, so you could try a different workout. So this is a 1-month subscription. You get 50 credits. You could check out some new workouts in your area.
So again, how much are we saving on this big box?
Everything here is over $500 in value for $129. That's 76% off. And these go so fast. So scan the QR code.
Let's get them, Adriana. Thank you. To shop this limited edition, it's called Rise and Shine box. Scan our QR code, head to today.com/boxes. And as a reminder, Today does earn a commission from the purchases through our links.